want to be an instrument to connect others for Christ. But I wonder, how are we gonna do that? Maybe we should meet people first, where they are. Handing off doctrinal tracts is probably not the best way to start relationships. Because I know that there is a time and place for everything. We should build a friendship first. A smile and a caring attitude can go a long way toward that goal. The next thing would be reaching out in a very creative, non-traditional ways. Do you have a talent in explaining things? You can tutor someone who is having a hard time studying or understanding a certain topic. Through that, you can build a genuine relationship. Begin with what you enjoy or are passionate about. God can bless you with relational connecting points that will help you to grow a friendship. And while doing that, pray for the Holy Spirit to create opportunities. God's timing and methods are not always the same as ours. He knows when and how to open doors for those with whom we have built relationships. And last, and probably not the least, continue being friends with those who don't show spiritual interest. We know that it's tempting to disconnect with those who don't show fruit, but keep being friends simply because it's the right thing to do. Casting them aside is just wrong. The more we build relational trust with people, the more we will experience opportunities to share our faith.